is StampTV Day, and today I'm going to discuss with you our special report that we offer regarding 13 extra costs before buying a home. I'm Kristin Stampini. Whether you're looking to buy your first home or trading up to a larger one, there are many costs on top of the purchase price that you must figure out into your calculation of affordability. These extra fees, such as taxes and other additional costs, could surprise you with an unwanted financial nightmare closing day if you're not informed and prepared. Some of the costs are one-time fixed payments, while other represent an ongoing monthly or yearly commitment, and not all of these costs will apply in every situation or every mortgage. However, it's better to know about them ahead of time so you can budget appropriately. Remember, buying a home is a major milestone. Whether it's your first, second, or 10th home, there are many important details to address during the home buying process. The last thing you need are unbudgeted financial obligations cropping up hours before you take possession of your new home. So watch until the end of the video to make sure you're budgeting properly for your next home and so you can get the full report that we offer you. Number one, the appraisal fee. You know, your lending institution may request an appraisal of the property, which would be your responsibility to pay for. Actually, all request that if you're getting a mortgage. Appraisals can vary from basically $275 to maybe $600. Number two are property taxes. Depending on your down payment, your lending institution may decide to include your property taxes in your monthly mortgage payments. If your property taxes are not added to your monthly payments, your lending institution may require an annual proof that your taxes have been paid. Number three, survey fee. So when the home you purchase is a resale versus a new home, your lending institution may ask for an updated property survey. So this survey can range on average anywhere between $300 and maybe $1,000. Number four, property insurance. So home owner's insurance covers the replacement value of your home structure and contents in most cases. Your lending institution will request proof that you insured as it protects their investment on the loan, which can range between usually $1.25 to $1.50 per square foot of the home. Number five, any new utility and service hookups, such as telephone or cable, may require an installation fee, okay, which can be several $100s. Water bill, same. And even the simplest of the home purchases should have it, possibly, if you want, a lawyer involved to review all the paperwork. So shop around at rates and vary greatly depending on the complexity of the issues and the experience of the lawyer. That's your choice though. Number seven is loan insurance fees. So depending upon the equity in your home, some mortgages require mortgage loan insurance. This type of insurance will cost anywhere on average between a 0.5% and maybe 3.5% of the total of the mortgage. So it can get expensive. Usually payments are made monthly in addition to your mortgage and tax payments. So number eight is the mortgage broker's fee. So a mortgage broker is entitled to charge you a fee in order to source a lender and organize the financing. However, it pays to shop around because many mortgage brokers will provide their services possibly with very low fees for you having the lending institution absorb the cost. Depends. Moving costs. So the cost for a professional mover can cost you in the range of anywhere between $50 and $150 per hour. Okay. And it can be, during peak times, it can even be higher than that. maintenance fees. So if you have condos or even sometimes townhomes, they charge monthly fees for common areas, maintenance, groundskeeping. Sometimes insurance will be covered, carpet, all sorts of different things. So you have to look at that. And also water. So, water, between the down payment and the monthly bill, that can cost you anywhere between, $60 to $150, maybe more, depending on where you live, depending on the city and everything else, the fee is charged. So you got to think about all these expenses. And we offered this in our special report, a full look at all the expenses that could happen during your process, and you might not know all of this. So in addition, to possibly improvements and anything like that, this could impact, what you're going to pay per month and property taxes. So property taxes, depending on where you live, they can cost up to 3% of the property value. And then here in Florida, we have Homestead. So all of this just varies, and you really need a professional to help you and guide you along the way. So that's it for today. I would like to offer you our free report that explains it in detail. And to get that, you can reach out to 561-221-2292, or my email is below. If you like the video, don't forget, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and make sure to hit the subscribe button. We're always offering education for you buying and selling a home. Also, you can hit the bell icon and you'll receive instant notifications whenever we release a new video. Thanks for joining me today. Bye.